Hello everyone and welcome back to A to Z of AI, where in each episode I pick up one alphabet from the English language and briefly explain an AI related term beginning with that alphabet.
So today's letter is B, and B stands for bias. Bias in AI, just like the English language, means to develop a liking or a partiality towards one kind of result over the others. Such a situation arises when the training dataset has a large number of examples of one kind and lacks appropriate examples of others. For example, an AI system might be able to recognize the first kind of shoe while neglect the other two. Another common example is the failure of some AI systems to recognize Asian faces while being accurate for others. This anomaly arises due to bias. So now you know what bias in AI means, and don't forget to check out a to z of ai.withgoogle.com to learn more about bias and other terms of AI. If you liked today's explanation, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon to know when the next episode comes out.